We are going to fix a very common problem of Windows 10 or Windows 11. So we are going to fix mouse wheel scrolling problem. So for that, click on the search icon and type Control, and you will find the best match control panel. And once you click on that, a window will appear like this. If you do not see a window like this, then what you can do is you can click on this view by and either click on small icons or the large icons. So I have selected small icon, and then we are looking for mouse. And once you click on that, you will have tabs like mouse buttons, pointers, pointer options, and wheel. So from the button first, so if this pointer is nearby slow, please drag it to the fast. And once this is done, click on this wheel option. And here also check the value. So here in my computer, vertical scrolling and horizontal scrolling all are 3, and that is the system recommended. So check in your case and see what exactly the value is. And if it's already 3, I would recommend to go for 5 to 7. So here I'll type 5 and here I'll type 4 and see how exactly the performance of your scroller. So once you're satisfied, just click on Apply and then OK. So I'll just go back to 3, which is working absolutely fine for me. So I'll keep 3 here and I'll just click on Apply and OK. And then try just restart the computer and see if your mouse wheel scrolling problem has been fixed or not. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.